everyone, welcome to my channel again. So please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button so you will be notified every time I have a new upload in the future. So today I'm going to use coconut milk to condition my long hair. So let's try it. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will be notified to all of my upcoming videos in the future. Oh, I would ask. It said coconut milk, but it went hard. So it's like an oil. This is. I think I need a spoon, but I'll just try my finger. It's properly like a oil. It's a coconut milk. It smells amazing. Smells really nice. Wow. Make sure it gets all into the bottom. They smell though amazing. It's like coconut milk. I would expect some milk. It looks like more like a hair mask. Oh, they smell really nice. Oh, I could not stop smelling it. I might try that more often into my hair. Make sure in the bottom, because the bottom it needs more conditioning, otherwise it goes dry. Look, good. It went hard. It's not actually a coconut milk, is it? It looks like more. How can you melt that into the tin? I don't know. It fell down in my You can see it. You need to. This is the problem if you got long hair. You need to condition it all the time, especially mine. That smells nice. I think I need to massage it properly to get into the roots and the bottom of it. Oh, get left over there. Okay, get that more and more. Here it is. Here is the water. You can see over there in the bottom. Here. It's like a hair mask. This is properly hair mask. Smell nice. I think I need to Like this. Get more into this side. This one. Need more into this side. That. Okay. Hopefully this will be nice and smooth when it's finished. Massage it more to make sure everything is covered. I think that's enough. Okay. Smell coconut. Okay, I'll wash my hands because quite. Look nice. Where's this shampoo? The apple one. Apple coconut. Smell nice. Now, conditioner. This is for very dry and dull. Argan, oil, and honey. I love the smell of this one because this is all. Okay. Can't stop smelling. This is really nice. The smell of this conditioner is amazing. Condition more the bottom because that's more the drier bit. So, sounds. Then wash my hands. That is hot. That's full of coconut. And that's the result, nice and shiny. And I will see you all into my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button, of course. Nice and smooth and shiny.